The subject of today's video is who are the 3 best affiliate marketing coaches online and what you need to know before you pick one. Hello, my name is Don Novak and this is my video diary series of my experience as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50%, sometimes as much as 80%. You can get bumped up after you make some sales for a company of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup cost. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. They will ask you for your credit card during the application process. Don't give it to them. Do your research first before you give anybody your credit card. Now, who are the best 3 affiliate marketing coaches online? First, let me say that each of the coaches I'm going to list are all beginner friendly. Now, why should I get a coach in the first place? Good question. 1, you will succeed a lot faster. I mean warp speed faster, because each of the coaches I'm going to mention is already very, very successful, and they'll steer you away from making costly, time-wasting mistakes. 2, you do not have to start from scratch because you will have access to proven ad layouts, templates, and email swipes that are working for them and their students. 3, each of the coaches will recommend website hosting sites and email responder services that they use that are making them money, as well as solo ad providers, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and blog tips and tricks they learned over their many years of hard online experience. Now, here's my list of the 3 best affiliate marketing coaches in alphabetical order. Each coach has their own way of doing things, their own personality, so I urge you to check each one out and see who you feel would best suit your needs before you commit to one. First on the list is Devon Brown. Devon is D-E-V-O-N Brown, and his 12-minute affiliate system, also known as 12MA. Needless to say, Devon Brown is in fact a real person. He has a legit social media presence with thousands of followers on Facebook and Instagram. He also is a charismatic speaker and a very successful entrepreneur. The 12-minute affiliate is primarily marketed to people new to making money online. So even if you're a complete newbie, you can use this system with ease. The 12-minute affiliate system is an affiliate marketing program that has easy steps to help beginners make money without necessarily having to start a website, a YouTube channel, or any other marketing platform. The program seeks to provide you with everything you need from training funnels, good support products, and paid traffic. There is also optional one-on-one personal training using Zoom and GoToMeeting. In simple terms, the 12-minute affiliate system works by you ordering traffic from your 12-minute affiliate account. This plug-and-play system will take you less than an hour to set up. 12-minute affiliate money-making method is simple to use, and it does not require much expertise. Experienced marketing experts do it all do all that on 12MA. Their staff, they have a big staff of marketing experts, and they do the sales pages, the opt-in pages, the name, email, website sequence, the traffic, and many other factors. You will not have to spend hundreds of hours or thousands of dollars starting from scratch. How the 12-minute affiliate system makes you money. Now, let's talk about the money part. Here are the methods used by the 12-minute affiliate that enable you to earn commissions on autopilot. You'll be provided with landing pages equivalent to websites when you join 12-minute affiliate. What you get to choose from 3 niches in the 12-minute affiliate system. The first niche is the home business niche, and this includes making money online. The second niche is the weight loss niche, with one of the biggest niches, sub-niches in health. And third is personal development. Now, personally, I started with the home business niche, and I stuck with that, and I've done very well with the home business niche. You'll connect your landing funnel page to your email autoresponder, such as Aweber. You need to pay for this, so note this as an added cost to you. Setup is easy. They have instructions in their members area, but you can opt to pay a small fee to have them do it all for you. However, I recommend you watch the setup videos and do it yourself. They'll give you pre-written emails which you can import to your autoresponder. They recommend, and I use Aweber. These emails will contain promotional products which have been pre-selected by the 12MA staff. You get traffic by buying it. This is another added cost to you, and that could be anywhere from $100 to $1,000, depending on how many clicks you want to buy. The traffic you buy from 12MA will automatically be sent to your landing pages. At this point, I'd like to make it clear that you're only buying clicks, not opt-ins or sales. So you really don't know how many people will subscribe to your email list when they get your email blast. In other words, it's entirely possible to spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars and not get a single sale. But for me, I got sales after getting about 500 subscribers on my email list, and now I have over 1,400. 12-minute affiliate provides their own traffic source, but again, there is no guarantee this traffic will be profitable. The good thing about buying the paid traffic from 12-minute affiliate is that they really know who is giving them good traffic and who is not. They've been doing this for so many years, and they want you to succeed, because the more you succeed, the more they succeed. You'll earn affiliate commissions when people buy any of the products you're promoting. Your emails are coded with your ClickBank 12MA affiliate link. Needless to say, having a large email list will give you more chances of selling something. Next is John Crestani and his super affiliate system, also known as SAS. People who spend a decent amount of time on YouTube will likely recognize Crestani as a 30-something internet personality who shares advertising methods and promises to teach people ways to improve their online business and build wealth. John Crestani's super affiliate system is a huge coaching website in which you first go through 14 course modules that contain 76 how-to and informational videos, and will take you a minimum of 2 weeks to complete, as you can only watch one module in a 24-hour period. Now, I went very slowly, and it took me a month to complete all 14 modules, as I took a lot of notes, and I repeated many of the teaching videos till I figured out exactly what they were talking about. In this hands-on training course, you'll learn everything from how to create and design effective pre-sale pages and compose converting ads on search networks and social media to scaling your business for maximum income. You'll also develop skills in research, copywriting, and data analysis. The course contains note-taking quizzes, note-taking guides, 10 handout worksheets, 14 quizzes, and one final exam. There are weekly live training webinars that are free, and there is an optional paid live weekly training webinar called The Inner Circle with John Crestani himself. Both webinars let you ask questions. There is also a huge library of resources, including ad swipes, email swipes, ad templates, and made-for-you ad templates, One-on-one personal coaching is also available, but for a fee. John Crestani is a legend in the affiliate marketing world. He provides a lot of useful training for people who want to get into affiliate marketing. He organizes his content in a way that is easy to understand, and as for substance, it's all there. You will come into his program not knowing anything about affiliate marketing, and you'll leave having everything you could ever want to know. Again, for prices on any of these courses, click on the links below, because sometimes there are sales and sometimes the prices go up, sometimes they go down. So click on the link to find about pricing. Now, next, Anthony Morrison. And Anthony Morrison's Partner with Anthony and the Morrison Education Courses. Again, another legend in the affiliate marketing business is Anthony Morrison. His Partner with Anthony program has 14 sessions. Each session can contain as many as 6 separate teaching video modules. You have to wait 24 hours before you can access the next session. The Partner with Anthony course also took me over a month to complete, as I took many pages of notes and completed setting up my ClickFunnels account, my GetResponse account, ClickBank account, and Bluehost and WordPress accounts. Anthony hosts a free live webinar every Thursday night. Come rain or shine, he's there. I think he even would do it on Christmas Eve. Anthony emphasizes building an email list and only promoting products that have a back-end residual income. His vast teaching website has several other optional courses, such as Email Domination, Funnel Hacks Bootcamp, YouTube Masterclass, Fan Page Domination, and Digital Marketing Mastermind, just to name a few. Anthony is also now on the cutting edge of using automated webinars for affiliate marketing. Today, over 6,000 people worldwide are using Anthony's software to optimize their online businesses and generate higher returns on investment. The goal for Anthony as an entire Morrison publishing team is to triple that number in the next 2 years. Now, in conclusion, to succeed and make money, all 3 coaches require hard work and perseverance. The learning curve could be as long as a year. Real affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick overnight scheme. All the links you need are listed below. Just click on the Show More button. Again, for prices, click on the links to get the latest prices, as there could be a sale. Now, I am currently enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, the Ambassador course, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, just click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Next week, I think I'm going to talk about a brand new system called Pajama Profits. It's on the cutting edge of affiliate marketing, and I'm excited to share that video with you next week. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. Again, there's also a link for 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks just below the video. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.